Hi, my fellow believers and truth seekers. Have a great day. You know, our bodies are a microcosmic representation of nature's harmony and balance. This perspective highlights the interconnectedness of our physical, emotional, and spiritual aspect with the natural world, intricately connected to the earth, water, trees, and vegetable we are composed of. Number 1, oxygen 65% akin to the air we breathe and the water life-giving force. Number 2, carbon 18% reflecting the trees and plants structural foundation. Number 3, hydrogen 10% echoing the water abundance and nourishing power. Number 4, nitrogen 3% resonating with the soil fertility and nutrient-rich essence. This symbolic relationship underscores our interdependence with Mother Nature by embracing sustainable plant-based living. We, number 1, harmonize with the Earth's rhythms. Number 2, nourish our bodies with alkaline-rich food. Number 3, foster holistic well-being and vitality. Number 4, honor the intricate web of life. The alkaline lifestyle, a nature-inspired path. By aligning our choices with nature's wisdom, we, number 1, cultivate balance and harmony within. Number 2, support the planet's thriving ecosystem. Number 3, embody the beauty of interconnectedness. Number 4, thrive as co-creator with Mother Nature. Your connection to nature is a sacred gift. By embracing this symbiosis, you'll reach wellness, compassion, and harmony. Sila!